What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cost Customs. So today I got a couple new tools. Well, not today, but I'm going to review them today. We got a couple new tools. So I'm going to show you the first one. I'll bring it down, show you guys what I got, tell you my thoughts on it. We'll go from there. Alright, so I picked up the a new Snap-on cordless impact, the 18 volt. It is the CT9075X CEWB, the half-inch. I got the 100th anniversary edition. The old impact I was using, I had the old NiCad Snap-on one. I've also had a Milwaukee one. They just don't hold up. So here is what I got. Like I said, I've been using it. I absolutely love it. It's a 100th year anniversary edition. 18 volt battery. It shows, your battery level. The batteries also work with the 3/8 cordless impact, same battery system. This is the 5 amp. The 3/8 is the 4 amp, but they all work. The cool thing is about this gun is you can adjust your power settings, so you got low, medium, and high. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this thing will literally bust snap bolts, lug nuts off. I tried it on the Snap-on truck itself. It literally low power, just bust them right off. I absolutely love it. The torque on this thing is insane. It is crazy. It is the brushless edition. I do like the 100th anniversary gray and stuff. I was using quite a few Milwaukee tools. This runs about $1,000. Battery, the gun, I want to say it's like an extra 100 if you need the charger, but like I said, I already have the 3/8 stuff, so it's all the same charger and whatnot. But this thing, if this doesn't take it off, I highly doubt you're getting it off with the breaker bar. I'd definitely rather go to electric than air powered stuff. It just, in my opinion, it's a lot more torque, a lot more stronger, much stronger. It's portable, you can bring it wherever. So guys, I highly recommend it. It's definitely a lot stronger than the Milwaukee. I know that the power, like the torque specs and everything for the Milwaukee is a little bit higher, but I'd go for this in a heartbeat. Like I said, I had the Milwaukee one. The case cracked. It was not, wasn't that powerful. Don't get me wrong, the Milwaukee's still, still a good impact, but I would highly recommend this, especially with it being brushless. There's a 2-year warranty on it, battery, charger, and the gun itself. But don't forget, these also can be rebuilt just like the Air. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks guys, be cool, stay safe.